Hello kids, welcome to today's story time. Get ready for a fun and exciting story about Benny the bear and an important lesson about honesty. Let's dive in and meet Benny. Benny loved playing in the forest. One sunny day, he threw a rock trying to hit a target. Oh no! The rock hit a beehive and it fell to the ground. The bees flew around, buzzing loudly. They were very upset. Who broke our hive? They asked, looking around. Benny felt scared. He didn't want the bees to be angry with him. The wind did it, Benny said nervously. The bees didn't believe Benny's story. Are you sure? They asked. Benny thought about his lie. It didn't feel good. I broke the hive, Benny admitted softly. I'm really sorry. The bees smiled. Thank you for being honest, Benny, they said. We forgive you, but be careful next time. Benny worked hard to fix the hive. He even brought flowers for the bees. The bees were happy again, and Benny felt much better. Benny learned a very important lesson. Telling the truth is always better. The moral of the story is, always be honest, even when it's hard. Thank you for watching, kids. Did you enjoy Benny's story? What would you do if you were Benny? If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Little Lessons Moral Stories for Kids. See you next time for more fun stories.